Hello friends, in today's session we will try to understand few more instructions of 8085 microprocessor, and they are RAL and RLC, that is rotate accumulator left and rotate accumulator left through carry, as well as we will try to understand RAR and RRC, that is rotate accumulator right and rotate accumulator right through carry. Fine, let's begin it with very simple. I have not done any it is a scientific, or I would be saying any rocket science. I was just prepare a very basic program. You can just go through it. The main purpose of the program is to get clear up with the instruction, that is RAL, RLC, RAR and RRC. Fine. You might be knowing this difference between this instruction in the theoretical base, but let's try to explore in a simulator. Fine. The first instruction is that is LDA 2000H. It means what? We would be getting a content from memory location 2000, and that content will be stored in accumulator. Right now, let's suppose that the value which we are fetching is 100 in terms of decimal, which will be a 64 in terms of, that is, hexadecimal. Right. So let's just assemble the program first of all. That is assembled successfully, and let's just try it out. Fine. The first line, that is LDA 2000H. It means what? 100 in terms of decimal will be fetched to the accumulator, and you can see that it comes as an 64. Fine. Now what we will try to do, let just open the notepad and try this in a very simple manner. Fine. 64 is going to be written as, that is 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 0. Fine. Okay. Now the thing is that when we are doing an instruction that is RAL, it means what? Rotate accumulator left. Now let's see, when we are executing this instruction, what the final answer comes to be. You can see that flags, all flags are 0. Fine. When you are executing, you are getting that is C8. It means what? Whenever you are doing that is RAL instruction, at the time initially the carry flag would have been 0. This would have been the scenario initially. While doing an RAL instruction, after an RAL instruction, it means what? Rotate accumulator left, and it is through carry. It means what? Is this content, that is D7 will go to carry flag will go to, that is D0 flag position. It means what? The content would be in this manner. Fine. So let's just read it out. This is 12, that is C, and this is 8, and that is carry flag is 0. So you can see that here carry flag is 0 and the answer is C8. When I am doing again RAL instruction, it means what? Let's just try to do again RAL instruction. It means what? Again this D7 will goes to carry and carry will goes to 0. It means what? I would be getting that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. It means what? My carry flag will be get set, and the content will be that is 9 and 0. Now let's see whether we are getting in that sense or not. You can see that 90 is available in terms of accumulator, and we are in accumulator and C goes to. And so I hope RAL, what the RAL is doing, D7 bit goes to carry flag, and carry flag goes to D0 bit, and that is the left rotation goes on. Fine. Now let's begin with an instruction again, that is LDA 2000H. Why we are doing? We would be getting that is again, that is 100, that is 64. Already once RLC is done, let's first of all again begin with initially the same scenario. You are having the content in this cell, that is you are having that is 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 0, but carry flag was 1 initially. Why? Because previously it has been already set it to 1. When you are doing RLC, what it does, this bit that has D7 goes to carry flag, as well as D7 goes to that is 0 flag. Fine. Carry flag doesn't goes to 0 flag. Fine. It means what? You would be getting 0 1 1 0 0. You will be getting again 1 0 0 and 0. Why? Because this 0 will goes to that is D0 position, that is D7 directly goes to 0 position. It means what? This value is 8 and this value is C. You will be getting that is C8 and carry flag is 0. You can see it is C8 and carry flag is 0. Again I am doing that is RLC instruction. on this operation. It means what? D7 will goes to that is carry flag, as well as D7 will goes to D0 flag. It means what? You will be getting in this manner, that is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. From where this 1 comes? 1 come from that is D7 position. It means this will be treated as a 9 and 1 and carry flag will be set. You can see 91 and carry flag is set. Fine. Again I am doing that is LDA instruction. Why? Because I want to get the same value, that is 64. Again 64 is available but carry flag is 1. I am doing that is RAR instruction. Now let's go with RAR instruction. So what is the value? Carry flag is 1 and we are having 64. Let's go in this manner. 64. What we are doing, that is RAR. Rotate accumulator right through carry. It means what? This 0 will go to the D7 position and D7 position will go to carry position and carry position will go to D7 position. It means what? You will be getting 0 over here, 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Why? Because this 1 will be forwarded to D7 and so on. It means what? Your answer will be carry flag will be 0. Your answer will be that is 13, that is A, B, C, D, T and 2. D2. You can see that the value is D2. Fine. So this is at 11. 11 is B2. Right? Again I am doing that is RAR operation. This is what you will be getting again, that is D0 will go to carry flag. Fine. So you will be getting again 0, 0 1 0 1 0 0 minus 8 1 0 0 1. You will be getting in this. Fine. So what will be this value? Value will be carry flag 0. You will be getting that is 5 and you will be getting 9. Fine. 59. So 59 is available carry flag. Fine. We are again using that is LDA 2000. Fine. Again 64 will be provided. Now we are doing that is RRC instruction. Initial carry flag is 0 and we are having to do this. Now we are doing that is RRC. What RRC is doing? That is rotate accumulator right. It means what? That D0 will go to carry as well as D0 will go to D7. And it means what? 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. You will be getting in this sense. Fine. This value will be provided to carry flag as well as to that is D7. And the value will be shifted on the right hand side. So you will be getting 0 and this value is 3 and 2, that is 30. You can see that we are getting 30. Right? Again RRC operation is there. It means what? You will be getting that is again 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. It means what? 1 and we are getting that is 9. 1 and 9. Let's put it. That is 1 9 with that. So I hope so from this whole that is simple program we are getting very clear picture about that is RAL instruction, RLC instruction that is related to left rotate and the instruction which are related to right rotate, that is RAR and RRC. Fine. We can use this all instruction in other program as well, but right now I am just giving you a brief instruction, this brief explanation about this instruction. So I hope you have got clear understanding about the instructions. So please do like my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fine. Thank you.